Welcome to our channel, Retired in Nevada. On this video, we're visiting Ohio and making a quick trip to the Dutchman restaurant located at 445 Jefferson Avenue in Plain City. Today, we're going to be trying the barn raising buffet. This buffet costs $17.49 and is all you can eat. The cold salad bar side includes all the typical salad bar toppings and even pickled eggs. Lots of homemade salad dressings and homemade salads as well. Every topping you could imagine. Now we move on to the hot side of the buffet, and the hot buffet features mashed potatoes, chicken and noodles, stuffing, green beans, corn, succotash, mac and cheese, fried chicken, sweet potatoes. They also have pasta, and then they'll have ham, roast beef, gravy, and even homemade bread pudding. Here's a snap of the plate that we picked, and if you decide not to have the buffet, there is a full regular menu to order from as well. Lots of options as well as wonderful pies and desserts. The food here is wonderful.